everyone, in this video we are going to see the new concept, that is puzzle in your reasoning. Puzzle means they give some of the questions which is based on some person is liking this color and staying this floor and all. Arrangement is differ from puzzle questions. The puzzle questions will be based on your height, based on their person's height or weight or their ages. We need to arrange those persons into the ascending and descending order. And another types of puzzle question is based on the persons they are choosing this type of color and their professions. They are mentioning the profession of doctor which does not like red and all. So the person is choose green color and their profession is doctor and all. So depends upon the two or more values, this type of puzzle will be asked in your competitive exams. And other person is living in this type of floor, person is living in 8th floor, person is living in two floors below from the other persons and all. So based on the floor puzzle. So there are three types of puzzle questions which is frequently asked in your competitive exams. Let's see one by one in your upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.